Welcome to the world of Peppa Pig. Download and watch any video offline for up to 30 days.
Ting ting! All aboard the school bus! We are going to the zoo! We're playing a tune and we're singing a song with a bing and a bong and a bing! Bong bing boo! Bing bong bing! Bing bong bingly bongly boo!
Let's make a smoothie with Miss Rabbit. Drag the ingredients from the list into the blender. You are a clever clogs. You are doing brilliantly. Put the lid on the blender so Miss Rabbit can blend your smoothie. Miss Rabbit will now blend your smoothie. The blender is very loud! Drag the items to decorate your smoothie. Well done! Drag the glass to serve the smoothie. Mummy Pig has a lot of washing to do today. Can you help her? Swipe the clothes from the basket into the washing machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The washing machine is filling up with lots of soapy water. You help sort the clean clothes into the correct baskets. You are a clever clogs. numbered dots to reveal the picture behind the flowers.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Peppa and George take good care of their teeth. They both brush their teeth twice a day. They pick up their toothbrush and toothpaste to put toothpaste on their toothbrush and brush their teeth in little circles. Round and round the brush goes. Pick a toothbrush. Cleaning the top, side, front and back of each tooth. Put toothpaste on the toothbrush. Help Peppa brush her teeth. George and Peppa eat healthy food. Like cheese, carrots and leafy greens, to keep their teeth nice and strong. Help choose a healthy snack for Peppa and George. Every now and then they go to the dentist. Dr. Elephant gives their teeth a special cleaning. Both Peppa and George have healthy teeth. This is the colouring area. let's play dress up with George. Great choice of outfit. Spot the difference.